G'day guys, Steve from Australia here. Come to a place called Coodanup, which is south of Mandurah in West Australia, and it's a location of the 5th giant that I hadn't covered yet. So I thought I'd come here today to get the video of the last one to complete my playlist. This is actually the location of where the one got burnt down in December 2022, and they replaced it in May 23. So yeah, we'll have a look in a second. There's a few people there right now, so I have to wait for them to leave, then I'll go and film it. There's a security camera overlooking the giant. Taking no chances this time. It's the sign at the front of the giant, and I'm going to struggle to pronounce this, but I think it's Yaburgurt Winjan Cirkelstone. Not an easy word to say, I'll probably only say it one time in this video. So here we are at the giant number 5, Mr. Cirkelstone I'm going to call him because I can't say his first name. But he's holding one of these rocks here. Looks like he's crawling along. Just move up, show his face a bit better. Got no hair, this one. It's gone bald quite young. There's a big hand, big wooden hand. Got this rope chain around his neck. Got an A on it. Not sure what that means. Could read the sign and find out, but I haven't done that. This big shoulder, quite close to it right now. Just get around this tree here, move back. And like the rest of the giants, Thomas Dambo does them with a very big body. This one's no exception. Let's move around the side. There's his backside in full view. Back of his legs, feet. Just stand back a bit. Sort of on the side. Strange way to be crawling along, but I think that's what he's doing. Looks like he had a rope around his neck here, but it's been snapped off over time. As I said, this has been here since May. Yeah, pretty well done. Bit of sand on him, but kids have been climbing on him. And there's in front of him again. Yeah, so this is the 5th giant and the final giant down in the Mandurah region. There's one more in the state that's up near the city. Might get there one day. This is a bit of a view around where he's sitting or crawling. And there's the water there, what I showed earlier. Thanks for watching my final video on the Thomas Dambo Giant series. Cheers everyone, bye.